already KHOW. Denver. Holy crap, Denver, Colorado. Once at the bottom of the band, I got a Colorado station. It was a country station. It was like 90% noise. And Shazam could still ID the songs, and so could I. So yeah, we got Denver here. The Jason Smith Show. I'll put that in the video if I find any info.
Hey, Adam Blanken here, and I'm Adam Wesley. Sports Talk 790 is teaming up with Space City Home Network to bring the A-Team to your screen. Your team's with us on the A-Team. Teamwork makes the Houston Sports dream work.
Houston.
See clearly that he is never right.
I've heard that before. Kind of sounds like wind. That's weird. I think I'll make this a separate video. It sounds like wind. Oh, it's doing it again. WSM is on 650, but it's coming in after 7. I'll insert that video clip from the last DXing video where we're listening to WSM on there, which is actually on 650, and it just disappears. They don't look that alike. Oh, see, that's right here, and we were getting WSM right there, even though it's on 650. I'm glad I caught that. So that's WSM right there.
Report. Into the early morning hours and linger before the morning. From the East Texas Storm Center, I'm KTCK meteorologist, Kansas.
Check the weather anytime.
Did you say KECK?
Brought to you by Southside Bank. Discover banking for the hometown touch. The new
This is a marathon is
happening right now.
They're going to get to that, and they're going to get to that car.
Whenever you want it.
I think this subjects the country to serious challenges going forward.
News on the hour, on the half, and when it breaks.
Now it's time to do something for the American
Come on,
people.
ID.
600 AM and 97.5 FM, KTVB, and KTVB.com.
KTVB. Never got that one. Let's check it out.